HWM Gaming here, bringing you guys a new series of how-to videos. And today I'll be showing you guys how to make a sexy thumbnail to your guys' YouTube video. So let's get started. At first, you're going to want to go into the description below, and the first link is going to be Pixlr. And once you get in here, you're going to want to click create a new image, presets, and scroll down until movie 720p, hit transparent, and hit OK. After that, just hit the little maximize right here, and then after this, you're going to want to search up grunge backgrounds. And as you do that, you want to find the one you like. Let's say, say like this one right here. You want to click on it, make sure it looks nice, save image as, and then you're going to want to save it to this folder. And once you do that, you want to go back to Pixlr, go to layer, open image as layer, and go ahead and open up that. As soon as you do this, you want to go to edit, free transform, hold shift while you do this, and then go ahead and maximize it to where it covers the screen. As you do that, click, hit yes. Then after this, if you want to do any changes to it, just hit adjustments, brightness and contrast, hue and saturation. You can change the color, like this one. Hit OK, and then come down here to the type tool, click anywhere on the screen. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make a how to make a thumbnail, and then I'm just going to leave it as that for right now. Change the size to 130, change the color to white, and I'm also going to use the font Call of Ops Duty. The link for that font will be in the description. Click OK, go to the move tool, go ahead and move this up here. We'll resize this in a little bit. And then you want to come over here, click duplicate layer, pull this down, and then click the text tool again, click on it, and then for this one put for free, and then change this to the color you want. I'm going for this, I might change it just to black. Go ahead, click OK, go to the move tool, move this, and then go ahead, and to be able to edit them, go ahead and click rasterize layer on both of them. Go ahead and click edit, free transform, and I'm going to resize this, just give it a little rotation as well, and then click yes, go to the other layer, same thing, free transform, hold shift, go ahead and resize it. There we go. And then after all that's done, you're going to want to type in grunge swirl background black and white. I found this one which I like, so I'm going to go ahead and click it, right click, save image as, go ahead and save to the folder you like, go back to Pixlr, layer, open image as layer, go ahead and open it up, and the same thing as this, edit, free transform, bring it over the whole thing. And then after that, you're going to want to bring that layer down. So once you're here, you want to have the layer of the swirl right above the purple layer right there, and then you want to hit click this button right here, go to opacity. For your desire, go to what you want. I'm going to leave it right there at 12, and once you do that, it's going to look something like this. And then here, go ahead and click right click layer styles, and for this one I'm actually going to make a drop shadow. You can make it the angle you want. I'm going to keep it black. I'm going to make the size, keep it at 0, and the opacity, max it, and distance, I'm going to put it at let's put it at 20, and then click OK. And guys, that's about it. This is how to make a thumbnail for free on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give a like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next video.